Okay. You got to do your arms all the way up over your head. There's no snow angel. Here, lay down right here. Here's a good spot. Right here. Lay down. Butt down. Okay. Okay. Now do it. You got to move your arms all the way like this, McKinley. There you go. Well, there's a small one. Snow angel.
Mom, can I be the puppy dog now?
Are you cold?
No.
And there's our snowman. Yay! Snow. No snow fight.
Yeah, snow fight.
No. No. I don't have my gloves on. Not fair.
Cold out here.
It is cold out here. Oh!
I'm not done yet.
I'm gonna get you.
You can be first and then I can.
1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm done. Oh! McKinley. Hey.
Okay. Turn around, Mommy. Okay. Turn around.
No.
I didn't get you.